I got asked this question just now. How can I restrict an individual person from accessing my Google Drive? I'm going to talk about how all that works in this video. So first of all, in your Google Drive, no one has access to your entire Google Drive, period. And the reason why that's fact is because there is no sharing option on your Google Drive. The sharing options start at the folder level and then go to subfolder and file level. You can only share, again, folders and files. That you cannot share your entire Google Drive. Now, if someone has access to your folders and or files in your Google Drive, you've done one of two things. Either what you've done is you have taken that file, let's do it in the context of a file, and you shared it, and you did one of two things. You either shared it directly with an individual, right here, or you shared it to anyone with the link. The default's restricted, no one has access to it. So if you, shared that file directly with the person that you do not want to have access to it, then you've got to look at the sharing, click where it says commenter, and hit remove access. And then you got to hit save, by the way, because they're still pending. Let's go back into that document, into the sharing. If you've also shared that so that anyone with the link can access it, you are not going to restrict a single person from accessing that file if they can get access to the link. Let me repeat this. If you've made general access to anyone with the link can access this file, you are not going to restrict anyone from accessing that file if they have access to the link. So if you're making it public, you're usually putting a link to it somewhere, you're emailing the link to some group of people, you're making that access to that file available to others. If the person you are trying to block has access to that link, you cannot block them. The only option you would have then would be to restrict it and not let anyone have access to it. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. Look, if you like this content, do me a favor. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notify button, and follow me on Quora where I share more content about Google Workspace and Gmail.